Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide on how to install Cloud Stream on Android. If you want to install Cloud Stream on Android, in today's video, I'm going to be guiding on how you can actually do that. If this is the first time you coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. So first, you need to go to your browser. I'm going to be using my Chrome to show you guys how you can actually do that. So you're going to be typing in Cloud Stream. Okay, then search for it. Yeah, you're going to be clicking on the Cloud Stream APK here on your browser. So here is what you're going to be seeing after you have done that. So you need to go down and click on download now. Scroll down and click download. It's going to show you something like this. You need to click on close. Then after that, you're going to scroll down gently and you're going to be seeing Cloud Stream pre-release. You're going to be downloading that one and click on download anyway. So here you're going to be seeing it being downloaded to on how you can actually download Cloud Stream on Android. If you found those helpful, because the contrary and those video, please just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.